Hello guys, welcome to the second tutorial in the series for Android development for beginners. And today I will build an Android app, a simple Android app, and show you, like, because in the previous one we were talking about what are the views. So let's just download the Android Studio from this website, and after you are done you will be directed to this screen. You will go to create new project, empty activity, and name it my first app, and you can just keep the API on this because this is the most compatible with most of the devices, but you can choose any that you like, but I like to choose this one. And you'll just click on finish. So I'll take you back to my presentation that I was giving in the previous one. So you see here, this is consisted of view inside so many views, you can say that. So what we will do is, first of all, we will just try to create a view. So let's just wait for the Gradle build to finish. And also let's just open the documentation of. So the project has loaded successfully, and what we will do is we will go in res folder and layout and activity main Java, and we can just delete this. We can keep a linear layout. Linear layout means it has to have an orientation. We can do vertical. We can take one text view. Just follow me along, and what I'll do is I'll just tell you from where did we get this view. Okay, text size, we can do 50 sp, and we can give it a background of this parent view, and background we can give color white, center, and let's create a button view one. Wrap content. Just be patient, I'll just tell you what is happening. Center, text, press me, and let's take an image view. Let's do wrap content, and I will just so what I'll do is I will go to drawable folder, show in Explorer. If you are on Mac, it would say show in resources, I guess. And I would just try to copy an image in this folder. Maybe I'll just copy my own image because this is right now available to me. We can rename it my image, and if we go to Android Studio, so now we have referenced this image because this is in drawable folder, and we can run this app like this. So this is your first Android app that, and what you have done is I will go through each and everything. Match parent mean because this is the root view, this is the parent view, and this has child views like text view, the button view, and image view. And this parent view contains all of your views. So that is why we have given it the width and the height match parent, that all of our views should take the full space on the screen. But why did I take the text view width and height as wrap content? So this means that the longer the text, the more space it will take, and the shorter the text, the shorter space it will take. So the space that a view takes is dependent on the size of it, dependent on the content of it. Whatever the view is, according to the content, it will take an area on the screen. So if you see, our app has loaded and this button is not working right now, nothing is happening. But this is good to start, that you are understanding that okay, now if I press match parent on this, now this view is taking the whole screen. So you have to be careful about your design, that what are the views that you want to spread on the screen and what are the views that you want them to take the size depending on the size of their content. Okay, so this is called an Android emulator, and these are like three views that we have made, and this is the first Android app that you can make by your own. Now lastly, where do we know that what are the attributes of each view? Like where are we getting this? So you have to refer to developers documentation. Here if you see text view, so text view has these attributes: Android semicolon, like Android, like digits, enabled, gravity, hint, input type, all this. So each view, if you Google like button developer docs, you would find information about the each properties that one view can provide you. So this is your first Android app, and I hope that we can learn more on this. Okay, so keep on watching for more and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.